It's so good to have one flexible person.
हाँ यार.
When it comes to angles.
हाँ. मेरे को तो लेफ्ट प्रोफाइल ही पसंद है.
मेरा right.
मेरा नाक टेढ़ा है.
मेरा right.
हाँ. तो हम दोनों को कोलैब करने में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. वैसे श्रद्धा के साथ तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है.
कोई
इसको तो
problem
प्रेफरेंस ही
नहीं
नहीं है.
ये एक्चुअल में क्रिसमस
ये क्रिसमस कोलैब लग रहा है. और तकिए भी लाल, सब कुछ लाल.
नहीं लिशा, हमारे सारे क्रिसमस कोलैब्स लग रहे हैं. व्हाई यू नो, हमने वो हरा पहना हुआ था ना बीच
हाँ,
में.
और सांता कैप्स भी पहनी थी लास्ट वाली वीडियो में. सब लग रही है.
आंटी जो माहौल है ना पीछे.
माहौल. चलो स्टार्ट करें.
मैं पहनूं कैप और इज इट टू मच?
नहीं नहीं, पहनने अच्छी लग रही है.
पक्का?
ऐश्वर्या का किस चीज से स्टार्ट कर मैं सोच रही हूँ.
किससे करता है? नहीं ये भी जैसे थोड़ा
नहीं जैसे हाई पॉइंट दे रहा
ओए तुमने मुझे नोट भी लगा के दिया.
ये
लगा वाला.
ये वाला.
नहीं ये भी नहीं.
अरे यार सारे अच्छे हैं, ऐसे तो कुछ भी नहीं होगा.
तो ओ उससे स्टार्ट कर.
नहीं ये एंड में रखना है. नहीं
इसे स्टार्ट करते हैं.
बीच में करें.
ऐसा हो गया
इसे
क्या?
स्टार्ट करते हैं. मजा आएगा. इसको लगेगा
सारे
यही
अच्छे
है.
अच्छे गिफ्ट मतलब.
रेडी.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have these two with me. You have seen them before on my channel. They are my best friends in the industry. This is Lisha and this is Shraddha. You have to follow them. If you don't follow them already, you are missing out. और आज हमने Christmas collab करी है. All of us decided to be each other's Santa and give each other awesome gifts. So we have a budget of 10,000 per person.
पर पर्सन उस पर्सन मतलब जो पर्सन गिफ्ट रिसीव कर रहा है.
तो
नहीं अदरवाइज आल्सो सॉरी.
So because we've done this collab 3 ways, 2 of us are buying gifts for 1 person. So us, we have bought gifts for her and we have bought gifts for her and they have bought gifts for me.
समझ आ गया होगा ना.
So we've
इतना
created.
मुश्किल नहीं था बताना. हमने कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया.
So we have done this video. This is the 3rd video that we are filming today. So please इन दोनों की वीडियो देख लो आप already. And I am going to receive my gifts now. Finally मेरी turn आ गई है और अब मुझे gifts मिलेंगे. So I'm super excited.
And
What should we-
also we are all wearing karbarya.
Yes, we are all
I'm
wearing
wearing.
Karbarya.
मैं खोल के दिखाया.
We are all in Karbarya. Thank you so much for wearing Karbarya. You both look awesome.
Thank you. We love it.
And let's begin with my gifts. दे दो मुझे, दे दो.
हमें ना हमने कोशिश करी है कि हर किसी का पहला गिफ्ट ऐसा हो जो तुम्हें देखते ही मतलब समझ आ जाए वाइब. बट ऐश्वर्या ये हो भी सकता है, ये हो भी सकता
It
है.
might just be one of her favorites from the entire lot.
Yeah.
I have a feeling.
Oh, and by the way, both of us, दो लोग जो जिस इंसान कॉम्प्लिकेटेड तरीके से समझाते हैं.
मैं बताती हूँ. बेसिकली क्योंकि हमने ये कोलैब 3 वे किया है तो सिर्फ जैसे मेरा गिफ्ट है तो इन दोनों को पता है, लेकिन लिशा का गिफ्ट भी ऐश्वर्या
हाँ
को
मतलब
पता
हमने
है.
plan
सब
discuss
कुछ
कर
डबल
लिया.
हुआ है.
हाँ.
So confusing.
We have done so days of research has gone behind
Exactly.
this video. We
Lots
have
of back and
discussed
forth.
what to get for the other person. So it's literally a team effort. दो लोगों ने मिलके डिस्कस किया होगा ये जो भी मेरे पास
These are
है.
all
And
mutually
मुझे
decided.
comments में भी बताओ हमने कैसे gifts लिए. Do you guys think we bought good gifts?
Yes.
Should I open?
Yes.
Last, go ahead.
Yay! So excited.
ये तब से वेट करेंगे मेरा कब टाइम आएगा.
Oh fuck! मैं तब से बोल रही हूँ मुझे चाट खानी है. देखिए मैं पानी पूरी like come on, this is like epic and this is the perfect. If you saw my story, मैंने अभी शेयर करी थी हमारी स्टोरी जिसमें मैंने हल्दीराम से गोलगप्पे ऑर्डर करके इनको फोटो भेजी थी.
ये तो हमें पता ही था देना ही देना है.
ये हमें आधे घंटे पहले खा लेना चाहिए था.
हाँ
मुझे भूख
पता है,
लग रही है.
पहले करते तो खा लेते.
है ना. हाँ मेरी वीडियो पहले बनाते तो अभी खा चुकी होती. Oh my god, thank you so much. This is awesome. This is like the perfect.
Sorted.
So,
Nice snack.
Aishwarya, she has mentioned that she is very difficult to buy gifts for, and I think that's with literally all
All
three
of
of
us,
us.
yeah.
So we're very excited to see how she reacts to our gifts, and we've given everybody the freedom to exchange and return their
Yeah,
gifts.
yeah, yeah.
We have the bills.
And also they have the freedom to say if they don't like the gift.
Yes,
No
not
hard
a problem.
Yeah, that's fine because
अभी
all of
पता
us are very very particular
नहीं
about
करते ना.
the
I'm
things that we
excited
want.
to see this. ये वो वाला stuff है Insta वाला. Then this
Give it to
is not mine. Oh yeah, let's do this. Let's do this.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
let's do this.
You know I have to open all of them, right? किसी भी
We want
order
to
में
build it up. कि end में
Oh, मैं खुद भी भूल गई.
That's why you
ये
can't
मैंने
get the
पकड़
पानी.
के मेरे को समझ आ गया क्या है. क्योंकि मैंने tag भी नहीं
मैं
किया.
इसका भूल गई थी.
Oh my god, is this Crocs?
I wish it was.
Oh,
बजट थोड़ा कम था. Sorry. Low budget. Crocs के हिसाब से थोड़ा.
Are you kind of पागल? 10,000 में बोल रहा हूँ बजट का.
Because you wanted to get other gifts also.
Oh my god, this is perfect, you guys. Thank you so much. I love this. I love this. I am a pajama queen. As much as I like to get glam, I am a pajama queen. This is literally, this stuff is all I live in. Like, give me fuzzy pajamas and robes and fuzzy slippers. Like,
Plus there
I
are
love
doggies on
these.
them.
And I like that इसके पीछे रबर है तो मैं इसको बाथरूम में भी पहन के जा
Yeah,
सकती हूँ.
It's very durable. Like we made sure कि
Exactly.
ऐसा कुछ ना हो.
And we wanted to
Why
get you
not
something
just say?
fuzzy because we know you love
I
fuzzy
love
pajamas.
fuzzy things. I love fuzzy things.
Oh,
This is
give her this
awesome.
one.
This?
डब्बा वाला हाँ. Take this.
I love this. Thank you.
देखना तू भी देख.
खुद ही नहीं यार खुद
Yeah.
के लिए सरप्राइज है कि
भाई.
some stuff you know Shraddha got it delivered and some stuff I got it delivered तो
खिचड़ी
हमें
खिचड़ी
खुद
है
नहीं पता.
दिमाग में.
मेरे को
ऐसा है?
हाँ मतलब I want to keep holding looking at it for a while before I move on to the
Everything's
next one.
real.
हम कैसे लाल परियों की तरह लग रहे हैं भाई तो
Everything is right here.
Oh my god, I'm being
Lovely.
spoiled right now because I already know I love this and I can see Lela trying to tear all of the fuzzies out my chappal.
I swear I imagine
Because Lela
something
plays
else.
with my chappals all the time.
She
I
mentioned
played
something
tug of
like
war.
this. She said कि मेरे तो कुत्ते खा जाते हैं and we had ordered it. I was like अरे यार.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं, but I still wear them. अच्छा है ना, मतलब ऐसा थोड़ी
I
कि
live
सर्दियों
my
में
life
वाली
in
चप्पल
these
ही
chappals
पहनूंगी.
घर पे.
हाँ, me too.
and it's soft
हाँ, I already have 2 pairs at home, but grey नहीं था. तो I mean, and I have
Gotta
grey
go with the
pajamas.
robes also ना.
Gotta go with the robes also for matchiness.
श्रद्धा की जितनी भी पैकेजिंग है
But
टेप से भरी
packaging
हुई
अच्छी
है
नहीं करी मैंने बताओ.
बहुत अच्छी है
Oh my god, something is
हम बहुत एक्साइटेड थे ये देने के लिए
Is this a necklace?
No, it's a
No,
waist
it's a
ring.
belt.
So
Oh
since
my
you
god!
like-
Oh,
since
okay.
you like your
That
waist
makes it like
color-
1,000 times better.
हमने ये देखा when Shraddha sent this to me I was like oh yes this is Aishwarya this is
perfect.
Aishwarya to the T
I wanted something like this. Like this
This
would
is so
go
you, right?
so well with
With a
dresses.
lot of your
and I
outfits.
would wear this with sarees also. Like
Yes.
Yeah.
this
absolutely.
is awesome. Like
Perfect.
I thought it was a necklace. I would have liked it as a necklace.
I think
but
you can even use it as
when
one,
you told
like
me it was a
longer.
belt, it just went up 1,000 notches. This is perfect. Like this is so awesome.
ये एक बात है ये I think
ये कहाँ से मिला तुम्हें?
अलग-अलग भी बोला.
Jewish
अच्छा.
Julish.
बहुत सुंदर.
she has
We'll
great
link
stuff.
every product.
do
हम
check
सारे
her out
videos
on
में.
Instagram
Yes.
I'm going to wear this like a lot.
I figured that you might like this and like Lisha को देखा Lisha was like oh जैसे
Yes, yes,
तुम
yes,
लोगों को
yes.
मेरे गिफ्ट में
Yes,
था ना
yes,
हाँ,
yes.
gift में कि this
yeah
was the moment
as
I was
soon
like
as we
yes.
saw it you were like ये तो लेना ही
यार ये
लेना
कितना सही है and I'm just imagining myself wearing like a black overcoat with black thigh-high boots and this.
and also very unique मैंने ऐसा नहीं देखा
हाँ.
कहीं पे भी
You
actually
know,
Zara
मैंने
you
I
would
think-
see it there
मैंने outfits बना लिए अपने दिमाग में 4
मैंने पिछले वीडियो में भी बोला था कि I have like I've had an idea of YouTube through Aishwarya's video. So मैंने जितने उसके outfits देखे ना she loves her bodycons and she loves
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
base defining
Skirts.
वाला feature. So I
Yeah.
thought this would be dainty.
I
yet
collect
statement.
belts.
I know.
Okay,
I know.
I have a drawer full of belts. That I
There are
just love.
there are a
belts.
few more things that you collect which we might or
I
might not
collect
have.
what should
everything.
she open next
I
वो
love
देख.
this यार. This
नहीं
is
नहीं
so good.
सुन लिशा
हाँ.
इसी का जो हम लाए थे ना इसके
ये?
साथ जो हाँ
हाँ,
ये
ठीक
दे दे
इसके साथ ही है मतलब.
मतलब
similar lines
Matchy.
lines.
similar lines
matchy oh kind of yeah
and you know Aishwarya के gifts we were the most excited like I knew what we were buying for Shraddha as well but I was like ये video के लिए I'm the most excited
Oh yeah. So this is like a. I'm gonna be like party
oh,
ready.
you'll be-
हाँ.
you'll be glam
I'm New Year party ready now.
नीचे से जूते इस वो वाले डॉगी वाले
हाँ, I know what I'm going
Doggy
to be wearing.
वाले
हाँ, नीचे से this is the YouTuber
life.
life. ऊपर से लेके यहाँ तक party ready, नीचे से pajamas. इसीलिए मैंने तकिया रखा हुआ है.
हाँ मैं यूँ करती तकिया इसीलिए है यहाँ पे.
This is so good, yeah. This goes perfectly with the belt.
yeah
It's like
It'll
perfect.
go with a lot of your outfits also.
हाँ,
That's
it'll go
what
with
we
a lot of
kept
my
in
and you
mind.
can even wear it for New Year's
And you know, I have a
parties and all.
necklace that looks very similar to this. And
Perfect,
this is gonna
good
match
job.
my necklace also. अरे वाह कितने मतलब I'm excited that they are confused कि पहले क्या तो मतलब इतने सारे बढ़िया Okay, more jewelry.
Now this is actually a necklace.
Okay, oh, we saw this. I shared this with either of you. किसी को भेजा था मैंने ये?
नहीं
नहीं कुछ तो हुआ चेक करती हूँ याद
Maybe
नहीं.
this was in my cart. On some kind of website, a necklace that looks very
You just
similar to
manifested
this.
it then.
This was literally in my cart.
Guys, so
Big
we've done a good job.
manifestation,
We've
okay?
done a good job.
हाँ, there's something. I feel like I've shared like a photo कि दूसरे इंसान के लिए लेते something
This
like
goes
this.
with your
Have
outfit
I
and you
not?
look right now.
Fuck,
Yeah, you
this
should
is
wear it.
awesome. I love this chain link necklace. पहन लूँ?
Yeah,
Oh,
looks nice.
yeah, this is
So
so
we're
good, यार.
clearly not worried about being over or tacky or anything. So
Is
we're
there
letting it
ever a
go.
thing called too much red?
This is perfect.
Because we don't think so.
I actually wanted a chain link necklace like this. मेरी कहीं ना I'm telling you is in some cart. किसी shopping website की cart में है मेरी. Okay, so that is how it looks. I am very excited about this. I love jewelry. Have you ever seen me in a video without jewelry? I never post without jewelry.
ये
I'm
इसका
always
final
wearing
piece है.
jewelry.
इस वाले
हाँ
packet
इसलिए
का.
कर लेते थे
Since Aishwarya collects everything,
I collect everything.
much like the rest of us,
I collect everything. Belts,
Very.
perfumes, shoes,
We
bags.
have too much of everything. Perfume.
परफ्यूम तो बहुत
I
बहुत
collect
पर्टिकुलर
everything.
चीज होती है,
Yeah.
that's why we didn't
Exactly.
pick.
हाँ, we didn't pick perfumes for each other. Oh
We
my
didn't pick
god.
makeup
Are these
either.
sunglasses? Oh damn! Oh my god, these are fire. I love huge sunglasses. And you know what? Recently I've only been buying sunglasses जो ऊपर से flat होते हैं. Because I have a
Yes.
टेढ़ा nose. So when I put sunglasses on my face, वो automatically टेढ़े हो जाते हैं. तो इसीलिए the ones that are flat on top kind of sit better on my face.
ये आए
मैं
तो
भी कैसी लग रही हूँ?
Nice.
Oh man. These are going
Self
to be
love
my,
or self obsession.
these are going to be my new like
Glasses.
favorite pair of glasses.
They look nice. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
I love these. I love oversized sunglasses. Wow, you've done so well.
I
Honestly,
do.
मुझे थोड़ी I was a little because I'm very fussy about gifts, you guys. I tell people in my life to just not buy. Don't buy me gifts.
Give me watches.
Because I'm most likely not to like. Exactly. I actually tell people to get me. If you really want to get me something, just get me vouchers or something. Because
Yeah.
I'm very difficult to buy for.
Same.
But this is so awesome. I love this. यार, you literally got everything right. काफी notice किया है तुमने सब कुछ ना छोटा.
अरे पता है, I'll tell you a very funny thing. So we got this for Ishwarya, and I was also looking for sunglasses because I have to go for a
Oh,
vacation.
neon lights.
Yes, we
Oh,
got this
is
for
it
your
neon?
background.
Okay, we definitely had to do something for the background
Yes,
also. And
of course.
I need to get so many things for myself from.
And pink is so you.
हाँ.
So
So
this is pink.
okay, these are lips.
Yes. So
Oh,
it's a pink
yay.
lip. You put this on top of
This
this.
is neon pink.
Perfect.
Yeah. And batteries डाल के you can even keep it.
It's
like
not
background
just
में.
pink, it's neon
Huh.
pink.
Yeah.
Woman.
Okay, so this is going to be perfect for my lip swatch
Yes.
videos.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Yes.
That's
I
what
do
we
film a
discussed
lot
now
of
because
lip
she
swatch
loves
videos.
lip swatching.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Exactly.
Well, not like we don't, but
Yeah, I mean all of us do. We do the same kind of things.
बड़े बड़े होठ लेके बैठे हुए हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे वीडियो में.
This is really useful. This is
Yeah.
very nice. And I just moved to a new place, so I don't really have a lot of background tidbits
She's
that I.
setting up
Yeah.
a lot of things.
I'm setting up a lot of things, so this really.
What's next? Oh yeah, let's do this.
Oh yeah, let's
Let's
do
do
this.
this,
Let's do
let's
that
do
also.
this.
मुझे
Sorry,
अचानक
it makes a difference
though. मुझे अचानक से हिट किया ये क्या है? I was like अरे हाँ.
इसके बाद वो करेंगे.
वो करेंगे कि ये करें?
वो.
Looks fancy. Oh yeah, this is a gold party clutch.
Yes.
This is we have literally
But that
set.
is sling also.
हाँ, we have literally set each other up for the party season. Like we are party चल रही है.
We are ready to go
Christmas
out
party
on
हो गई है,
NYE.
New Year party हो गई, अब तो party करना start कर दो बस.
Oh यार मैंने तो देखा ही नहीं.
और हमारी
यार
पार्टी
है.
घर तक ही सीमित होती है. बैकग्राउंड बना के
So
पार्टी.
this has like geometric shapes and it's gold, which is so much of Aishwarya's vibe.
But it's
Yeah.
not like a gold that you don't like. when you
Exactly,
look at
not in your
I
face.
love gold. I
It
do a
matches
lot
your
of
jewelry.
gold. हाँ, it matches my jewelry also.
I also really like the shape. मैंने
Yeah.
अब देख लिया ना up close and
मतलब बहुत
personal मैंने
गलती
खोला
से
ही
इसके
नहीं.
आउटफिट के साथ मैच नहीं करवा दिए
सब कुछ
कपड़े.
मैच
हाँ,
में सब
अभी
कुछ.
भी वो दो earrings और belt भी मैचिंग
Yeah.
था. मतलब वो मैं इसके साथ नहीं पहन सकती, but वो belt और
अरे
earrings
नहीं, रुको, यहाँ से
are a
दिखाओ.
thing in itself.
It's coming in the frame.
मेरे को इतना दिमाग में अपना गिफ्ट इनके गिफ्ट दोनों ऐसे भरता बन गया ना, पता है
मैं
एक
तो
दिन
भूल
किसी
गई
से
थी कि
बात
मुझे भी
करी।
गिफ्ट्स मिलने हैं. तो दिमाग से ही निकल गया था कि
वो-
मेरे साथ भी तो कोलैब कर रहे हैं.
मैंने एक दिन घर पे बात नहीं करी किसी से क्योंकि आई वाज सो कंफ्यूज. आई वाज नॉट श्योर लोग बात क्या कर रहे हैं.
एंड स्पेशली यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए ले रहे थे where we know हमें नहीं पसंद आते दूसरों के
हाँ.
गिफ्ट्स. So and we are different also. हम सबकी choice सेम नहीं है.
हाँ.
So
We're
we
very
really
difficult to buy
had to
things
like
for each other.
search and scour a lot.
बहुत सुंदर है ये.
हाँ.
Oh yeah, so it
You
has
get
a
a sling
sling chain
also.
also.
हाँ.
So I don't have to be holding it all the
Yeah,
time. when
so
I'm
if you
eating.
wanna use it
हाँ,
like a clutch.
शादी वादी में जा रहे हैं तो
गोलगप्पे
खाना
चला रहे हैं
दोनों
और
हाथ
पीछे
में
चलिए.
चलिए.
Indian wear and western wear दोनों
Yes,
के साथ
yes, it's perfect. ड्रेस के साथ भी अच्छा लगेगा और लहंगा और साड़ी के साथ भी अच्छा लगेगा.
वो सब
But
अच्छा
no,
लग रहा है.
but
सब अच्छा
but
लग रहा है.
you did well, na? Because you
Yeah.
did a lot of research. I can see that you saw so much. Like you noticed a lot of things.
This is the one that I was telling you ना कि मैंने इसे न्यूज़पेपर में नहीं पैक किया because
हाँ,
it came
हाँ.
so pretty.
Yeah.
So this is the only one that we did. We all actually packed everything in newspapers because we wanted to keep the
Uniform,
gifts
yeah.
uniform. क्योंकि हम दो लोग एक इंसान के लिए gifts ले रहे हैं. We're coming from different places, so we all wanted to pack in newspapers only ताकि सबके gifts similar लगे.
It's kind of
But ये newspaper में नहीं है.
puts things in order
Because
also,
it
but
was
it's
so
confusing.
pretty.
मुझे
हम
बहुत
दोनों
अच्छा
ने कहा
लगा.
नहीं इसको न्यूज़पेपर में नहीं करेंगे ऐसे ही लेके आएंगे.
Oh, what is this?
बोलते रहे, सीधा कर, उल्टा है अभी.
वाओ श्रद्धा सीधा भी नहीं किया हमने.
नहीं नहीं ऐसे आया
Oh,
मैंने
this
छुआ
is
ही
a
नहीं.
crop. This is a crop top.
Yes, it's a tie up crop top.
Oh yay!
सीधा करो this.
Oh my
It's a very
god, I
Versace.
love,
And look
I
at
love the
the print
Versace
print,
vibes.
exactly.
Yes.
Yes.
I was about to say I
With
love
the
the
chain.
Versace vibes.
With the gold chain
This is a tie up.
and the gold bag. Oh
And
my
it's a
god हमने
matching
इसको
skirt.
top to bottom
Okay.
outfit बना के दे दी है.
Oh
Yes.
damn, guys, I
ये
love
भी
this.
उल्टा है, रुक जा.
I love this situation.
Wow.
This is a quad set.
I think I'll get this for myself as well.
This is a quad set, right?
This, yes, it's a skirt and a top.
Yes,
Yeah, I love
yes,
this
yes,
vibe.
And
I need to
Shraddha,
go to the beach now.
हमने सोचा नहीं, but we talked about outfit बन चुका है.
हाँ. हाँ.
No, but look, this goes so well together.
Exactly, and the chain as well.
And the chain, because this is going to be like a tie-up situation, na? आगे से
Exactly,
V-neck होगा, तो the
exactly.
chain will. Fuck, this is so awesome, yaar. Thank you for gifting me
I
the
know-
whole outfit.
I also know that you like outfits and you're very particular with the
Yeah.
kind
Yes.
of outfits you like. So this just felt right.
This is
Yeah.
so my vibe. Like I love
Yes.
crop tops and skirts and
Yes.
things. I
And
love
cord
crop tops.
sets.
हाँ, and cord sets. Like they're the easiest. सोचना नहीं पड़ता ना नीचे क्या पहनो ऊपर क्या पहनो.
Next. Oh, ये करते हैं.
Second last.
ये करते हैं.
This is perfect.
There's more.
Second
Wow.
last.
I
Second
feel
last.
like I'm not getting over the
This
first gift.
outfit.
तुम नया gift दे देते हो एक और.
मैं सच बताऊं हमारे में ऑलरेडी इतनी एनर्जी है बट
Oh my God, these are shoes.
इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ सो मच राइट नाउ बट घर जब हम अलग अलग बैठेंगे ना आई थिंक तब विल सिंक इन हमने क्या किया है आज.
Oh, of course. Oh my God. These are in my Ajio cart. Like
Oh,
these
really?
are in my Ajio cart.
चलो शुक्र है ऐश्वर्या के कार्ड से कुछ चीजें घर आ गई.
हाँ, it's like you saw तुम्हारे are you Jeff Bezos? How do you have my wish list? This is perfect. Leopard print, you guys. Me and leopard
So
print.
Aishwarya.
And I have leopard print pumps, but I don't have leopard print
And
heels.
we really wanted to give you something which is animal print. Because
Yeah.
This is so you.
Because this is so me. Like
And Muse, she loves Muse.
honestly, I'd be surprised if you didn't give me anything leopard. I'd be like तुमने कुछ नहीं देखा तुम्हें नहीं पता
They
क्या
did
मेरा
not get the memo.
This is perfect
Oh,
यार.
that's my favorite.
क्या था
अभी बचा है एक और.
हाँ
कैसे भूल गई?
भूल गई मैं भी.
I thought this is
मेरे
the
को
last
याद है.
one.
खुद ही गिफ्ट लेके भूल गए.
मुझे याद है, मुझे याद है.
This is a
You
whole
bought
outfit.
this by the way, madam.
I know I did.
अभी
ये-
एक और
ये
gift
वो
बचा
जो
है.
I feel like his story
I
news.
thought we were done.
आप
अभी बचा
सोच
है
से
एक
जो
और
लेके
gift.
आए थे वो
I
है.
feel like मैंने देखो बोला था ना मैं तेरे लिए भी गई हूँ स्टोर पे.
So look at this, guys. This is awesome. This is
You'll
so
actually
beautiful.
love this even more.
I love these.
I forgot what these are.
These.
So it's a surprise for me too. I forgot क्या लिया था अपन लोगों ने.
खोलो खोलो. All the fashion stuff we
Yeah,
got.
you got- you did
because you
so
love it
well.
so much.
हाँ वैसे तुमने मुझे lifestyle सामान कम दिया है, fashion सामान ज़्यादा दिया है.
Yeah, we were trying to find lifestyle फिर
हाँ.
fashion का मिल जाता था फिर
And
यार ये
It
ज़्यादा
was
अच्छा
so
लग रहा है.
you
But
and
हाँ.
ये इस पे डालते
But I
थे,
think
इस पे
everything
डालते
you got makes so much sense for me. Like you got me hot shoes and you also got me fuzzy chappals. Like two different
Best of
personalities
both
of me.
worlds.
Exactly what we said, no? ऐश्वर्या के अलग-अलग moods और personality पे depend करता है.
Oh damn!
Yeah.
Oh god!
Love.
You guys, this is so awesome, yeah. I love mules. Mules are probably the only shoes I've been wearing for the past year. I
Same.
love
And
I'm
the
switched
mules.
from
color.
all of my shoes to mules now.
Look at the color.
You know what?
I'm definitely getting these for myself.
I have 100 pairs of shoes, but I don't have burgundy heels. You would think I
We-
would, but
yes,
I don't.
we also
I
picked
don't
color
have
because
burgundy.
we're both like very sure that she's very
Yeah.
fond of colorful heels as
Yeah.
well.
Because I already have so many
And
neutral
also,
shoes, na yaar.
this is also still a neutral color.
This
This
is
winter में
so
बहुत
beautiful.
gowns के साथ, dresses के साथ चलेगा.
I love this and it looks like
Look
it's
at
going to
the
be very
heel.
comfortable also
Yeah.
because the heel is like and it's not at the end ना थोड़ा सा अंदर
हाँ,
जाके है
हाँ,
heel और
हाँ.
नीचे से भी support. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm
This
so
literally feels like
glad.
Christmas.
I think-
Oh, how could you think I wouldn't like anything? I would love, of course, everything you got is
We were
perfect.
exchanging.
रुक जा मैं कूड़ा side करती हूँ.
Oh, you got me 3 pairs of shoes.
We
guys.
got you 3 pairs of
You
shoes,
did
yes.
really well. 10,000 में you got me 3 pairs of shoes and like so many
Jewelry and a bag and an
jewelry,
outfit.
bags,
And a
outfits,
whole-
sunglasses,
Sunnies.
And a whole outfit.
And also Golgappas.
Not
and
just-
Golgappas and neon lights.
Yes, not just like a thing, a whole outfit which you can wear.
Yeah, belts and earrings.
Belt
Wow.
तो I thought कि
Belt
space
तो is
को
so perfect.
kick आ जाएगी.
हाँ, belt. I think
Belt
everything is
was
so
first
perfect.
love.
I don't know what I love the most. I love this
That's
outfit.
that's a
also.
job well done then, Nisha.
Honestly, I don't know what I love the most. I love everything.
Happy?
Yes, this is like a brunch shoe for me, and this is like a party shoe for me, and this is a ghar ka shoe for me. So I'm sorted. All my personalities are happy. Okay, thank you so much for all of these awesome gifts, you guys. I hope you watch both of their videos also, because वो भी बहुत fun है. We've all worked very hard for each other, so please watch इनके videos भी and subscribe to their channels also. They make fabulous content. You need to subscribe and watch their content also. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and we are going to link all of these products in the description box below. जो हमने सब एक दूसरे को दिया है, हम सब link
अब मैं चैन से सो सकती हूँ रात
हाँ,
में.
oh
सबने
man.
देख लिया सारा
I'm ready
कुछ.
for sushi.
sushi, guys.
Days of hard work is gone
Happy
behind.
hearts now needs a happy tummy.
They've ordered sushi now and they're waiting for our sushi.
ये खाते
और-
तब तक।
हाँ तब यार तुम मेरी वीडियो पहले बनानी चाहिए थी यार हम खा चुके
अरे मैं भूल गई। तेरे को पता है
Okay, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you.
Bye.
We all love you. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Happy
Merry
New
Christmas,
Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye. Mwah.
खत्म हो गया, खत्म हो गया, खत्म हो गया।
Yes.
On 2 batteries. On to half of batteries.
इस बार हमने कम
Two
बकवास की।
batteries.